Welcome to mathematics class, straight line part 7. So in continuation with the last class, let us solve some more problems from the exercise. Three B, Roman 3. The first problem. A straight line passing through a point A minus 2, 1 makes an angle of 30 degrees with OX in the positive direction. A straight line passing through minus 2, 1 makes an angle of 30 degrees with the OX in the positive, that is x-axis in the positive direction. So now there is a x-axis. So this is x-axis, a line now let us consider a line which is making 30 degrees with OX. This is OX. And there is a point A on this line. Let us suppose a point A minus 2, 1 on this line. Find the points on the straight line whose distance from A is 4 units. We have to find points on this straight line. Suppose a point let us name it as a point P, which is at a distance of 4 units from A. So upward and left side also, let us take a point Q, which is also at a distance of 4. So we have 2 points at a distance of 4 from the given point A. A నుండి 4 యూనిట్ల దూరంలో రైట్ సైడ్ ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇంకొక పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. We have to find these 2 points which are at a distance of 4 units from A on the line. So this is our problem. Now A is given as minus 2, 1 and angle is 30 degrees and R is 4 units. Now let us take the solution. Let any point, now let us take the point A as minus 2, 1. So this is x1, y1 and R value is 4 units and theta is 30 degrees. This is the given information. Now, any point on the line PQ, A is any point on the line, and any point on the same line at a distance of 4 units, at a distance of R units from A can be taken as any point on the line at a distance at a distance of r units from a given point x1 y1 x1 y1 can be taken as x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Any parametric point can be taken as x1 plus r cos theta plus y1 plus r sin theta. Substitute the point -2, 1 and the angle in this. So substituting the point -2, 1 in place of x1, y1 and theta 30 degrees. We get x1 is -2, take r as it is, and cos 30 degrees. This is x coordinate, and y1 value is 1. y1 is 1, or as it is, and sine 30 degrees. So now this can be further simplified. -2 plus or cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this can be written -2 plus root 3 r by 2 x coordinate and 1 plus r by 2 as y coordinate. Let us name it as 1. So now case 1, take r value positive. R value is 4. Substituting in 1, we get the point. Let us name it, call it as P. So -2 plus root 3 by 2 in place of R, 4. 1 plus 4 by 2. So simplifying, -2 plus 4 and 2 times 4, 2 root 3, -2 plus 2 root 3, 2 times 4, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is 1 point. So taking R value negative, if R value is -4, so mod R is 4, that is plus or -4. So if you take +4, you get 1 point. If you take -4, that is opposite direction, you will get another point. And substituting in 1, we get The another point, let us call it as Q. So minus 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus 4, 1 plus minus 4 by 2. So minus 2 minus 2 root 3, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is another point. So the 2 points P and Q are at a distance of 4 units from the given point A on the same line, which makes an angle 30 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. x అక్షంతో ధనదిశలో 30 డిగ్రీల కోణం చేసే రేఖ పైన ఏ అనేది ఒక బిందువు అయితే ఏ నుండి 4 యూనిట్ల దూరంలో ఉండే బిందువులు P and Q, these 2 points. Now you can write them. Therefore, the 2 points which are at 4 units distance from the given point A, the first one is minus 2 plus 2 root 3 comma 3 and minus 2 minus 2 root 3 comma minus 1. So these are the 2 points. Now let us take up one more problem. Find the points on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, which are at a distance of 5 units from the point 3, 2. 3, 2 అనే బిందువు నుండి 5 యూనిట్ల దూరంలో ఉండే 3x minus 4y minus 1 అనే రేఖ పైన ఉండే బిందువుల నిరూపకాలు కనుక్కోవాలి. Find the points on the line which are at a distance of 5 units from the point. Now, the given line, equation of the given line is 3x minus 4y minus 1. Comparing this with the standard equation of straight line, ax plus by plus c, the slope of the line is, that is m minus a by b. So this is the slope. So here the slope of the given line m is equal to minus a value is 3, a is 3, b is minus 4. So minus 3 by minus 4, that is 3 by 4. So slope is tan theta. Tan theta is 3 by 4. The ratio tan is opposite by adjacent. Etribhujam by asana bhujam. If you take a triangle, right triangle, so the ratio tan theta is opposite side 3, adjacent side 4, and the hypotenuse is under root 3 square plus 4 square. By using Pythagoras, we can find the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So the hypotenuse is equal to under root 3 square under root 3 square plus 4 square. Now, hypotenuse Karnamu square is equal to Bhujamu square plus Bhujamu square. The sum of the squares of the two sides. So that is 3 square 9 plus 16 root 25, that is 5. So hypotenuse becomes 5. From this triangle, you can write the cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5, and sin theta opposite by hypotenuse as division by Karnamu, that is 3 by 5. So sine and cos values. So from the tan theta, from slope, we can write sin theta and cos theta values as 4 by 5, 3 by 5, cos theta 4 by 5, sin theta 3 by 5. Now, any point on the line, which is at a distance r from a given point, point 3 comma 2 is given and the distance 5 is given. An angle, sin theta, cos theta values are there. Now, the point is given as 3, 2, this, that is x1, y1, and sin theta, cos theta values 4 by 5, cos theta 4 by 5, sin theta 3 by 5, and the distance r is equal to r. So any point on the line at a distance of r from x1, y1 given point can be taken as x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. So substituting x1 and cos theta, y1 sin theta, x1 is 3, cos theta 4 by 5, and y1 is 2, sin theta 3 by 5. So this is the point on the line at a distance of r units from the given point 3, 2. 3, 2 అనే బిందువు నుండి 6 యూనిట్ల దూరంలో ఉండే ఏదైనా బిందువు. Again, we have two cases. Suppose if this is a line, a P is a point, so there will be 2 points AB which are at a distance of r units, upward and downward, or left side, right side. Now, case 1, where r value can be taken as positive, and case 2, r value taken as -5. If you take r plus 5, the coordinates of the point, substituting r 5 in the above. So 5 into 4 by 5, 2 plus 5 into 3 by 5. So here 5 will get cancelled. Simplifying, 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3, so that is 7 comma 5 is 1 point. So let us call it as A, 7 comma 5. And case 2, if you take R value as minus 5 and substituting in the above, we take another point, 3 plus minus 5 into 4 by 5, 2 plus minus 5 into 3 by 5, cancelling 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 will get cancelled. So that is 3 minus 4, 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. Let us call it as B. So these 2 points which are at a distance of 5 from the given point, therefore the 2 points are A 7 comma 5 and B minus 1 comma minus 1, which are at a distance of 5 units from the given point 3 comma 2 on the line. So you can see the figure. P is a point, given point 3 comma 2, and you can find A and B on the same line which are at a distance of 5 units. Now let us see the next question. A straight line whose inclination with the positive direction of x-axis is pi by 3 makes positive intercepts on the y-axis. If the straight line is at a distance of 4 units from the origin, find its equation. ఇది x అక్షము ధన దిశలో pi by 3 కోణం చేస్తుంది and positive intercepts on y-axis. Now what is given? The angle is pi by 3. So that is 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. And y-intercept is positive. Y-intercept is positive. And the distance is 4 units from the origin. The distance from origin to the line is 4 units. So from the angle, we can calculate the slope of the line. That is m is equal to tan theta, that is tan 60 degrees. Therefore, the m value is root 3. If you know the slope and the y-intercept, so you take it as c. Now, let the equation of the line, equation of the straight line with slope root 3 and y-intercept. So we know the slope with the m value root 3 and y-intercept. Y-intercept as c. So that is y is equal to root 3x plus c is the equation of a straight line with slope root 3. So this can be, y can be taken right side. So this is root 3x, y becomes minus y plus c is equal to 0. Let us name it as equation 1. And what is given in the problem is the distance from the origin to this line is 4 units. Suppose origin to the line. So the distance from origin to this line is 4 units. Is given the distance మూల బిందువు నుండి సరళ రేఖ మధ్య దూరం, distance from the origin to the line 1 is 4 units. It is given in the problem. We know the distance formula in 10th class, in previous classes. Distance from the origin is c by under root a square plus b square. So the distance formula, the d is c by under root a square plus b square. So here the distance c value is as it is, c by a square plus b square. This is root 3 square and b value minus 1 square, coefficients of x and y, that is given as 4. So from this, c by 3 root 3 square 3 minus 1 square 1, 3 plus 1, this becomes 4. That is root 4 is 2. Cross multiplying c value 4 into 2, 8. And substituting c is equal to 8 in equation 1, we get the required equation as root 3x minus y plus c. The c value is 8 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, root 3x minus y plus 8. So this is the c value. Substituting again in equation 1, root 3x minus y plus c. So C value is 8. This is the required equation. So the angle, from the angle we can calculate the slope. So slope intercept form y is equal to mx plus c, using slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c, y intercept is positive. Here m value root 3. So this equation, the distance from origin to this equation is 4, and the distance formula from origin to an equation ax plus by plus c is c by under root a square plus b square, where a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y. So here a value root 3, b value minus 1, and simplifying we get the c value as 8, and resubstituting c value in equation 1, we get the required equation as root 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now let us consider one more problem. A straight line L with negative slope passes through the point 8, 2 and cuts positive coordinate axis at the points PQ. Find the minimum value of OP plus OQ as L varies, where O is the origin. O is the origin. Now look at what is given in the problem. A straight line L with negative slope. So negative slope is there. So let the slope of a given line is equal to, that is m is equal to minus n, where n is a positive integer. Let us take the slope as minus n, and a point is given. This equation passing through 8, 2, where 8 is x1, 2 is y1. We have the slope m value minus n and point, using the slope and point formula, Valu Bindu Rupam. So now equation of straight line. So let the equation of straight line as y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So this is the equation of straight line, slope point form. If you know a point and slope, this is the equation of straight line. We know the point and slope. Substituting in this, so the equation y minus y1 value 2, the slope is minus n, x minus x1 value is 8. So y minus 2 minus nx minus minus plus 8n. So bringing all terms right side, terms left side. So y minus 2 plus nx minus 8n is equal to 0, or you can keep 8n as it is in the right side. So I am writing 8n right side only, and minus 2 you can take right side. So this is nx plus y is equal to 8n plus 2. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. So I want to write it, I want to express it in intercept form. So dividing this with 8n plus 2. So I want to make right side equal to 1. So dividing with 8n plus 2, 8n plus 2, 8n plus 2. So x by 8n plus 2 by n. So this is y by 8n plus 2 is equal to 1. So where this is in the form of x by a, y by b is equal to 1 intercept form, where x-intercept a value, that is, if you take a line cutting positive intercepts at P and Q, OP is A, OQ is B. So that is OP is 8n plus 2 by n. So that is OP value 8n by n and 2 by n, that is n will get cancelled, 8 plus 2 by n. And B value, that is OQ. So this is B value. OQ is equal to 8n plus 2. So these are the OP, OQ, x-intercept and y-intercepts of the line. Now we have to find the minimum value of OP plus OQ. We have to find the minimum value of OP plus OQ. Now let us take OP plus OQ values. OP value 8 plus 2 by n, OQ 8n plus 2. 8 plus 2 becomes 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 2 by n plus 8n. So you can write 8n plus 2 by n plus 10. So this can be written as root 8n square is again 8n, and this can be written as root 2 by n square and 10 as it is, since root x square is x only. So you can square and root will get cancelled, again that is equal to 8n. 8n I am writing as a square of under root 8n. Similarly 2 by n as a square of under root 2 by n. So now we know a square plus b square value can be written as a minus b whole square plus 2ab. This is equal to again a square plus b square. Using this equality, I want to express this in the form of a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Here A value is A10 minus B value 2 by n whole square plus 2AB, 2 into A value 8n and B value 2 by n, and plus 10 is there, that is as it is. So no change in 8n, root 8n, root 2 by n whole square as it is. Now here root n and root n will get cancelled. So this 2, if you multiply root 8 into root 2, this becomes root 16. 8 into 2, 16 plus 10. So root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4. This is same, no change. So 4 into 2, 8 is 8 plus 10. So this is equal to no change, 2 by n. So 18. So now look at this. Observe why we are doing all these things. OP plus OQ. Look at this one. There are two parts in it. So one is a square and another is 18. So whatever it may be inside the square value is always a positive number. ఈ లోపల వాల్యూ నెగటివ్ పాజిటివ్ ఉన్నప్పటికీ దాని స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. సో రూట్ 8n మైనస్ అండర్ రూట్ 2 by n whole square is always a positive value. Positive plus 18 is always more than 18. 18 plus something. This value cannot be negative. So 18 plus something. Now this value OP plus OQ value can be more than, if it becomes 0, it becomes 18. Or if it becomes more than 0, it becomes more than 18. So this value, right side value, is always 18 or more than 18. So therefore the minimum value of OP plus OQ, దీనికి కనీస విలువ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే 18. 18 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండదు, 18 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు. కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈస్ ద మినిమం వాల్యూ of OP plus OQ is 18. So it is more than 18. That is the minimum, the least value is 18. So this is an interesting problem from the exercise. Simple but interesting. You can see negative slope. That's why we have taken the slope as minus n, and using one point slope formula you can find the equation, and converting the equation into intercept form, that is x by a y by b is equal to 1. Then we get intercepts, the x-intercept as OP, y-intercept as OQ, because in the problem it is given that the line intersects the coordinate axis at the points PQ. ఈ రేఖ x y అక్షాలను PQ ల వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంది. X axis at P. So this line intersects y axis at Q. That's why the OP is the x-intercept and OQ is y-intercept. It is given in the problem. The line intersects xy axis at PQ points. So ఈ నిరూపక అక్షాలను PQల వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంది. Look at this figure. సో x యాక్సిస్ ను p వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంది అంటే OP అనేది x ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ అవుతుంది, x అంతరఖండం. అంటే x కింద ఉండేది x/a వాల్యూ is OP in this problem and b value is OQ. So by converting the equation in x/a y/b form, we get OP value x-intercept as a10 plus 2 by n and OQ a10 plus 2. And then adding both OP and OQ and simplifying, and we want minimum value. That's why rearranging the terms. So in the form of a square and something else, square plus something, ఇది ఒక స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సంథింగ్ రూపంలో రాయడానికి మనం ప్రయత్నం చేసి దీన్ని హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 18 రూపంలో రాసాం. సో హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఎల్లప్పుడూ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ అవుతుంది. ద స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎ పాజిటివ్ నంబర్, పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ. పాజిటివ్ ప్లస్ పాజిటివ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ద వాల్యూ ఇంక్రీజెస్. సో దిస్ వాల్యూ ఇంక్రీజెస్ ఫ్రమ్ 18 కంటే ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది కానీ తక్కువ కాదు. కాబట్టి దిస్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 18. సో ద మినిమం వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఓపీ ప్లస్ ఓక్యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఈజ్ 18. కనీస విలువ ఎంత అంటే 18 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కానీ తక్కువ ఉండదు. అందుకనే దాని కనీస విలువ మినిమం వాల్యూ 18 అవుతుంది. విత్ దిస్ ఐ కంక్లూడ్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ ఇట్.